Hey down there guys, it's Blake the Friendly Giant, and today I'm going to be reacting to more of TheDooo. This one's another a request, it's not really a request. I was talking a lot about, and then one of my other videos that I like a lot of anime openings, and one of you guys told me about this video by TheDooo, where he plays anime songs. And the person who recommended me this video is Keith Sarsozo. Again, I don't know if I'm saying your name right or not, but hopefully I am. And yeah, thank you for suggesting this video. I'm trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers because I want to get my channel monetized, and it would help me out a lot if you guys can help me reach that goal. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I enjoyed the video. It's anime, how can I not enjoy the video? But yeah, let's get into it.
What's up?
Play me a song on guitar. I'm waiting.
You know what this is?
I do not.
Get out of here. Okay, alright. What about this one? Come on, you have gaming as your interest? You make me sad. What about anime? Are you into animes?
I love anime.
What are some of your favorite animes?
Tokyo Ghoul was pretty good.
I could play you Unravel. You know Unravel?
Yeah.
So good.
That's so fucking good.
Thank you.
How did you learn that?
I learn everything by ear. I just kind of listen to it.
Crazy. You are literally probably the best guitar player I've ever heard.
Oh, let's try a little experiment, okay? Everybody keeps skipping me like crazy, so I think I have a way to get people to stay and talk to me.
I hate that sound. Ew. Ew.
Check this out.
Oh, that hurts.
All right, let's see if this works. I can't see my freaking guitar. Hi. What? Are you intimidated?
You wanna fuck?
Yeah, let's do it.
No.
Don't you dare do that. Skip me right now. You can't even come close to these. You jealous.
I don't want to, period.
These are triple Fs. Come on now.
Period.
Wait, your guitar. Wait, that's him. You're like, are you the Doo? I'm gonna
No.
No, it's the Doo. You're lying. Shut up. Shut up. I'm gonna cry. That's not real.
I don't know who you're talking about.
Okay. We've been trying to find you forever. For a long time.
Excuse me, let me take these out. This is a little weird.
I'm gonna cry. Like,
You promise? That's really
And
good
the
content.
people that stick around are little girls.
I can give you like.
That's
like,
bad.
Please, God, don't do that. Please don't do that. How about some Pokemon? You like Pokemon?
Yes, I love Pokemon. I have so many Pokemon cards. I'm such a nerd.
Okay, nerd. Let me play you this song then.
I don't know what my favorite battle theme is. The one that I know the most is probably Black and White. Or no, I think I probably know X and Y battle theme more. They're almost all the same, but they are different. I think X and Y is my favorite. I'm a huge nerd too, if you can't tell. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my god. We
appreciate you.
I love you.
I love you.
Dude, this is so freaking wholesome. I don't know if I can handle much more of this, I'll be honest.
I just want my fucking cunt. Can you?
Huh?
Oh, that's a YouTuber.
I'm a YouTuber?
Yes, I watched you, motherfucker. I watched you, motherfucker. I want to hear you play something. Yeah, play a song.
Alright, I'll play you guys a guitar solo.
This dude. All the time. Oh, sweet. Oh, nice. So happy. Oh, shit. I was not expecting that. That was crazy. Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Always, dude. I don't come on here like recreationally to like watch dudes jack their wieners off. So whenever I come on here, it's definitely to record, you know?
We got lucky so far.
Me too, actually. This is the first time I've ever gone on here to record and I've seen nobody jack off. I'm feeling pretty lucky, dude. Maybe I should go like play the lottery or something. I'd probably win.
I know you can play some Zelda like a motherfucker, too.
Some Zelda?
Yeah, I know you can.
All right.
They're so seduced by the sperm from the sperm flute.
Hell. Yeah.
How many followers?
I have about 1.8 million.
I hate to ask this, but can I maybe have a shout out?
You're gonna have to say it quick though.
It's
Yo, what's up?
Oh my god, are you the dude?
Yeah, what's going on, dude?
Holy crap, you inspired me to start playing guitar.
Dude, that's awesome.
What's up with your chest?
People skip me a lot on here, so I thought if I gave myself boobs that they'd stop skipping me, and it worked. Now everybody wants to talk to me.
That's amazing.
Would you guys want to hear like maybe the Freebird solo?
That would be
Oh,
awesome.
hell yeah.
I got this cool new way that I like to play it.
Is he gonna use the talent? No way, he does it. He's actually doing it. That's so freaking. I love him so much.
That's amazing.
I have a penis.
Oh, same.
Oh, sick. Do you want to play or something?
That's awesome, huh?
Nothing. What do you play?
Are you guys into any animes at all?
Play the Naruto opening.
I got you.
And I already heard him play the fairy tale opening in another video, but I want to hear him play it again. He plays it really good.
Thank you.
I'm glad you like that.
Go ahead, play something. Now you gotta play something.
You like Naruto?
Yeah, big fan. I seen it from the beginning to end.
Okay.
And he actually did the hooah. I just need to hear him do the haikia.
Nice. Right up, plug. Look your Twitch so I can follow you. Now I gotta follow you Twitch.
Okay. TheDooo underscore.
You should be like this guy and follow TheDooo underscore.
Necesito ir al baño. I gotta take a dump. I don't speak Spanish. I'm sorry.
You go to the bedroom.
Yeah, I gotta poop. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
The Guitar Hero.
Sorry if you guys heard my alarm in the background. Him not knowing how to speak Spanish is the funniest thing in the world. Yo hablo español un poco, but not a lot. So yeah. Anyways, it was really funny hearing him. Dude, he's so talented. I thought there was gonna be a lot more anime songs since the title of the video is Anime Metal. I think he played 4 anime songs, 2 Naruto, Tokyo Ghoul. I think that was it. Was there another one? There might have been another one. But yeah, no, that it was still good. I liked it. Him playing the Freebird solo. Now what's it called? The automaton is the freaking funniest thing and the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I love Freebird, and I can just listen to the solo over and over and over again, and now I can listen to it on an automaton because of TheDooo, and that's just so freaking funny. He's so talented. He's good. He's nice, good YouTuber that's funny and is just amazing, and everyone should go follow him and subscribe to him because he is really just really talented. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm trying to get to a goal of 1,000 subscribers because I want to get my channel monetized, and if you guys could help me out with that, that would mean a lot to me. You guys can go check out my main channel, which is Blake TFG or Blake the Friendly Giant, or my personal channel, which is Hunter Murdoch, which is my real name. Irish, yeah, not really. But yeah, the video was, he's really talented, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and remember, keep your head up. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching.